Hi, welcome to inserting special features into a Google Doc. After you have your document ready, you can choose to go up to your insert menu, and the first thing that we're going to do during this is insert a hyperlink. So we're going to choose insert link, and now if we want to add in a link to a web address, we can either copy and paste it or type it in to where it says URL for the link. Now where it says text to display, I don't want it to show the entire web address, especially if you have one of the long email or the long URLs that have tons of symbols and random letters. It's easier to just display some text. So if I just want it to say Google and then place in my URL for the link, I can test my link, which is a great feature that Google has in here, and it'll pull up what this would look like and that it would actually work. Now all I have to do is click on OK, and my link to Google is automatically put in there with just the word Google. You can also, if you go back into that insert link, you can link to an email address and do the same thing with your text to display, or you could choose to bookmark a different spot in your page, and that will be in a different little lesson. So I'm going to cancel out of this. Under the insert menu, you're also going to find you can insert your footnotes. And when you do insert footnote, it will automatically bring you down to the very bottom where you can type in your footnote, and it automatically saves for you. And because my cursor is after Google, that is where my footnote gets placed, so you can see the correlation there. I can also go up to insert special characters, and my special characters are going to be different arrows. You have different symbols that you can choose from, and you can scroll through symbols, punctuations, different numbers. They're all there as well, and all you have to do is pick one and click on insert, and you'll see mine went down to the bottom because that's where I had my cursor. Our next thing that you can do with your insert menu is to choose insert horizontal line. Now what this does is it just breaks it up, kind of creates sections for your page. And you just hit return and you're able to type underneath there. Also on your insert menu, you can choose to insert your page number at either the top of your page or the bottom of the page. I'm going to choose bottom of the page, and you'll notice that it pops up right in the very bottom corner there. And as I continue to add pages to my document, more page numbers will be added, and Google will automatically adjust what page number you are on. Also under our insert menu, we also have insert page count. So it'll tell us how many pages are in our document, and you'll see it popped up down here. We can also go into insert and choose page break. And when I choose to enter in a page break, it will give me a second page to my document. And you'll notice down in the bottom right corner, it shows two number 2s. One of the number 2s would be our page number, and because I chose to put in a page count, that is also there as well. So the second 2 is my page count, which means I have 2 pages in my document. Also in my insert menu, I have insert header and insert footer. If I chose to do my insert header, you'll see it up at the top of my document, and it's the same on every single page. Your footer will do the exact same thing if you do insert footer, and your footer is down at the bottom of your page where you would have page numbers be. Thank you for learning a little bit more about the special features that you can insert in a Google Doc.